Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make generator at home, how to make an AC generator using synchronous motor. As you can see, we have the magnet inside. Here is the magnet, and we have the coil inside also. Then we have the DC motor also. So guys, follow up and see how we build this. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, here is our battery. As you can see, this is a battery in parallel 3-volt battery guys. So as you can see, in parallel, negative, positive guys. So we are putting our battery here, and this is the wire that we are going to connect to the battery, to the plus and minus. So let me put our battery here guys. This is our battery. So guys, this is the negative from the battery, and this is our switch, and this is the wire that comes from the positive. As you can see guys, this is the red wire. Connect it here. So guys, our project has been completed guys. As you can see, this is a synchronous motor, DC motor, and we have our battery. This is the positive, as you can see. So I've off it here. So this is our switch. So I want us to add one battery more guys. So we want to add another battery to this to make it a 6-volt battery guys. So I will add one battery more, making it in series, so we can power this generator very well guys. So guys, I'm adding this battery to this, so I'll make it in series. This is the negative, then I'll put it to the positive of this battery, and this will be our positive that I will connect to this wire guys. So let's do that now guys. Then we connect our wire to this wire guys. So guys, this second wire that came from the switch, and this is the negative wire, as you can see, that goes to the motor, and this is the positive wire guys. As you can see, we series the battery, so it's giving us 6 volts. that will power this DC motor. Then we get 120 volts AC as our output to power this LED bulb, guys. This is 10 watts, as you can see, 10-watt bulb. As you can see, guys, AKT lighting, as you can see. So let me remove it so that we can see. So guys, this is the bulb, 10 watts. So we are going to test it now, guys. So let's test it, guys. So this is our lamp holder, as you can see, guys. And here is our LED bulb, 10 watts, AKT. So guys, we want to test our generator now. So this is our switch. Once I on it, the light will on here, and this one starts spinning. So we have 6 volts here. So let's test it, guys. Get it working. Please subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, it is working very well, guys. We have 120 volts AC and 4 watts synchronous motor, guys, and we have 10-watt bulb, as you can see. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. So guys, we want to test it now with AC adapter. As you can see, we want to test it with adapter and a 12 volt DC brushless fan, guys. So I will need to disconnect this bulb. So let's try it. So we want to connect AC adapter to it, then we power it with our synchronous motor generator. So I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better. So guys, let's on it. The fan is spinning. As you can see, guys, we have a wire cut off from the motor, as you can see. So I need to connect the wire. So guys, as you can see, I've changed the wire and I've connected it here. So I've changed the motor as well, the brushless fan, to this another 12-volt brushless fan, and we are still using the same AC power supply. So let's test it now, guys.